All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our website project. Let's have a look at what we went over today. We are going to start from the scratch. Now, I do like starting from scratch or coming from our source because I like to show you that we are coming from the source and we're not coming from any third-party building sites like Wix or anything like that. Everything that we implement and everything that we change is going to be directly changed by us and implemented by us. So yeah, that's why I like to come from the source instead of just going straight to the website. So yeah, with that being said, let's get and get everything pulled up so I can show you exactly what we changed and what we went over this morning. We do have some big changes. So yeah, let's get that pulled up now. And right off the back, you'll probably notice some changes. As soon as we get the site pulled up, you can see the differences from yesterday. If you need to go back and check yesterday's video, you can. But you'll notice that there is going to be a major upgrade. So yeah. So with that being said, you can see right off of the back that our setup is completely different now. We still have our header here, AI Media Studio. We still have our business statement. Is to transform your business with AI generated media. As you can see, the layout is completely different. Now our header is in a row instead of a column. Remember, it was to the left over here, and the AI media was over top of it. Now everything's a lot more spread out and a lot more visually pleasing. But if you do click on it, it still takes us to the same header pages, but everything is set up. So you can see here our services, our pricing, we have our contact, and we did get our about us complete finally. So you can see about us. Welcome to AI Media Studio. Innovation meets creativity. Our mission is to revolutionize the way businesses create and utilize media content through the power of artificial intelligence. We believe in the transformative potential of AI to produce high quality, professional grade images and videos that captivate and engage audiences. And I'm not going to read this entire thing, I'll let you read over it yourself, but our About Us is finally done, so we can move on from here. And the next thing is going to be doing is configuring our try-free demo here. So yeah, we'll take the time to do that. But yeah, everything is complete. I love the way the landing page looks. We're going to keep it like this. We're not going to make any changes to this, and we're going to keep it the way it is. As you can see, our AI Media Studio is glowing now, and it is jumping. It's animated. I figure why not have it animated since we are running an animated or AI generated media site. Yeah, but with that being said, I will keep you guys posted every step of the way on the process we make. But for now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.